Christmas, folks. Here at the Homestead, we are wishing everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May all your wishes and prayers come true. Just remember the reason for the season, folks. Thank you all for being part of the Homestead family. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. We're going to be joining Debbie's Kitchen in her collaboration. It's an open collaboration. Anybody can do it. It's the first day of winter collaboration. And you're supposed to make a soup or a casserole and put it up today. You'll need 1.5 pounds of ground beef, half of a large onion. I just cut up a small one. It calls for 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. We don't have no garlic cloves, so we're going to just use 1 teaspoon of dried garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Calls for 14.5 ounces of diced tomatoes. I'm going to just use the crushed tomatoes I canned. 24 ounces of pasta sauce, 10.5 ounces of condensed tomato soup, 32 ounces of beef broth, 16 ounces of half and half, 1 teaspoon of dry basil, a cup of small pasta. We're going to use this elbow macaroni. And also shredded Parmesan cheese for a garnish. It also calls for beef consomme. We aren't going to use that, but I'll have the recipe linked below. Okay, to a pot, I'm going to put the onions and the ground beef all in. I'm going to fry that up till it's done, and then I'll be back after that. Okay, we got the meat browned. I'm going to drain the grease, but I'm going to use a trick we learned from Debbie's Kitchen. Just put a paper towel down there and soak up that grease. You won't have to dirty up a strainer. Just soak the grease up in the paper towel. Yeah, I'll get all that out and I'll be right back. Okay, now that that's strained, I'm going to put everything in it except for the elbow macaroni. Rinse the pan out a little bit. There was the tomatoes and the pasta. Now I'm going to put, how much, half and half? 16 ounces. This whole thing. Okay, tomato soup. $32 ounces of broth. And this recipe will be down in the description. Now the salt, pepper, garlic powder, and basil. And we're going to stir that up. Okay, we're going to bring this to a boil, and we'll be back when it gets there. Okay, it's up to a boil. I'm going to pour in 1 cup of the pasta. Now we're going to let this boil gently for 10 minutes and stirring occasionally. Okay, it's boiled for 10 minutes. Now it says to turn the stove off and put a cover over and let it set for 30 minutes. Here it is after 30 minutes. Kind of reminds me of a goulash. We'll get it plated up here and give it a taste. Okay, we got it all plated up, bowled up. Will tell you, I messed up and put the whole quart of diced tomatoes, or I used crushed tomatoes. I was only supposed to put a half a quart, so I boiled just a few more, a little bit more of the pasta and added to it. Okay, we added some Parmesan cheese on top. Doug, Daniel, give it a try.
All right. Let Dad get his first. Okay. It's good. Definitely a keeper. That's delicious.
Okay. Well, I want to thank Debbie for having the collaboration, hosting the collaboration. I want to thank y'all for watching. All her information will be down below. Check her out her channel. She's got some good recipes, grocery hauls. And I want to thank everybody for watching. Hope you have a blessed day or not. Come back and see us.
Folks, thank you for watching and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe and we will be seeing you soon, Lord willing. Folks, thank you for watching and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe and we will be seeing